Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jhas and welcome to Science Online Class. Okay, today study about animal needs for living and growing. What is the animal's needs? Animals are living things just like us human. Okay, so to live and grow, they need food, water, and air. Again, animals, just like a human, they need food, water, and air. Okay. And also, to live and grow, animals need food, water, and air. Food gives us energy to move around and do their activities. Water is a living space, food resource, and part of their body. Animals breathe in oxygen for their body to work well. Without air, they will die. Okay, now let's start. Everyone, are you ready? Okay, great. But before we continue, let's try to answer this. Please open your book on page 28. Let's try to answer. Okay, the instruction there: match the animals to their habitats and write the food they eat. Okay, we have, as you can see, you can match the water or grassland. What animals they live in water or grassland? Let's start number 1. Okay, we have fish, zebra, elephant, and crocodile. Okay, the fish they include in water. Alright? Yes, what fish they eat? Plankton, water, plants, and animals. Next. Okay, they live in grassland. What zebra they eat? Grass. Okay, next is the elephant. Oh, they live also in grassland. Elephant eat banana, sugarcane, and grass. Okay, and the last is the crocodile. They live in water. Okay, they eat animals. Now, class, do you understand? Did you follow? Okay, very good. Let's move on. So today, we will study the food and its benefit. What food and its benefit they need? The animals they need. Okay, this is the animals. Okay, now animals grow bigger and heavier just like us. Also, animals' food is important for their living and growing. Different animals eat different foods. Okay, again, different animals they eat different foods. Some animals eat other foods, some animals eat plants, and some animals eat both plants and animals. Without food, animals will die. So, what is the benefits of food to animals? Okay, number one benefit is food is an energy source for animals and keeps them warm. Number 2, food keeps animals healthy and helps their body to work well. Number 3, food builds muscle and bone in animals, makes their body grow well, and repairs their damaged tissues. So, this is the example, the lion. Did you know lion? Yes, very good. A lion hunts a deer for food. Okay. Next, how about bird? Did you know bird? Very good. Some birds eat both plants and animals. Okay, activity. You can record your data. It means in page 30. Okay, the instruction: exploring animals within my school. What did you see? What animals you can see in your school? We have animals, habitat, food, organ used for breathing. Okay, I put the example there. The first example is frog and poodle. Okay, next is insect, and the last is nose or skin. Okay, again on page 30. Record your data. Do you follow, everyone? Excellent. So let's move on. Next is water and its benefits. What is the benefits of water? Okay, the deer drink water, then animals also need water for living and growing. They need to drink water for their body to work well. Okay, again, they need to drink water for their body to work well. Without water, animals will become dehydrated and will die. Same with people. If you didn't drink water, you will die. Next is, what is the benefits of water to animals? First is, water forms part of animals and it makes their body to work well. Next, water controls body temperature of animals. Next, some animals live and nurse their young in water. Example is fish. Did you eat fish? Yes, very good. So, water is a living space for fish. If the fish live in grassland, they breathe? No, yes, because fish, they live in water. Next is, a bird drinks water for its body to work well. Okay, do you understand, everyone? Perfect. So let's move on. Okay, next is air and its benefits. What is the benefits in air? Animals need oxygen for their body to work well. Also, some animals need air to help them fly. Okay, like a bird. Air push under their wings to make them fly easily. An example there is birds and other animals. Without air, animals will die. So, again, class, we have 3 animals need for living and growing. The first is food. Next is what? Okay, very good. Water, and we have air. We have 3: food, water, and air. Do you understand? Did you remember the 3 needs of the animals? Yes, very good. So now let's move. What is the benefits of air to animals? The first one is oxygen, mostly in air, and water is used for breathing. Okay. Next, air blocks some UV rays from the sun from reaching animals. Number 3, air controls earth temperature, making it good for living. And the last, number 4, air helps some animals to fly easily. Okay, again class, human and animals, they need food, water, and air. Okay, the example is birds fly by pushing down on air. Next is fish. Fish breathe oxygen dissolved in water. Activity time. Okay, for your activity, please open your book on page 34. The instruction there is study the pictures, name the animals, and tell what they need for living and growing. Then after that, explain your answers for each questions. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Yes. Now, number 1. What animal is this? That is, okay, fish. Needs for living and growing. They need water. What is the reason? Fish use water as a living space and food resources. Okay, finish? Very good. Number 2, what animal is this? Yes, giraffe. Giraffe needs for living and growing. Okay, they need plants. What is the reason? Giraffe eats plants for living and growing. Next, number 3. Animals, it is cow. Cow needs for living and growing. They need air. Okay. Cow, what is the reason? Okay, cow breathe in oxygen for living. Do you understand, everyone? Very good. Again, page 34. Next is number 4 and number 5. Please continue to answer what is the animals this they need for living and growing, and what is the reason. Next time, I put 2 homework. The first is, okay, fill in the blank to summarize what you have learned. Okay, on page 35, basic needs of humans and animals. Again, what is the basic needs? Food, water, and air. Okay, let's start. Number 1. What basic needs of human and animals? Number 1 is, yes, food. Next, what are its benefits? Gives energy, makes the body grow, and helps humans and animals to live. Number 3, what will happen without it? Humans and animals will have no energy, will not grow, and we will die. Next, number 2. What is number 2? Okay, very good. That is water. What are its benefits? Makes up parts of human and animal body and helps the body to work well. Okay, next is what will happen without it? And number 3, what basic needs of humans and animals? Please continue to answer. Next, number 3, it is air. Okay. In number 2 question, what will happen without it? And the number 3, what are its benefits? And last is what will happen without it. Okay, do you understand, everyone? Very good. Let's move on. Okay, next homework is on page 36. Study the pictures. Are these activity appropriate? Explain your answer. Okay, number 1. What is this? What happened? Grass. Okay. Not appropriate. Burning grass causes air pollution that affects the breathing of humans and animals. Also, animals might lose their food sources. Next, number 2. Okay, what happened to water? If the water is dirty, what happened? Not appropriate. Throwing garbage into water sources will dirty and pollute it. This will harm water animals and make water bad for drinking. If the water is not clean, do not drink. Okay. Next, number 3. What is this? Okay, food. It is vegetables. Okay, appropriate. Eating enough healthy food every day gives us enough nutrients for living. And last, number 4, please complete to answer this. That's all for today, and thank you for listening. This is Teacher Jhas, your science teacher. Please take care of your body and bye!